First Impression Ironworks has been serving Arizona homeowners for over 25 years, right here in Gilbert in our factories. Our core products include security screen doors, iron entry doors, and gates. Once you give us a call, we'll schedule an appointment that's convenient for you, and we'll bring the showroom right to your home. And in the comfort of your home, we'll design a product that suits your budget, your needs. Once we've decided on the perfect design for you, we make it right here in Gilbert. We deliver it to your home and we install it. And then once it's installed, it doesn't stop. We're here for you for any service issues, for any concerns you might have, and for any maintenance items that might come up. I am passionate about First Impression Ironworks. What drives my passion is first-class care, first-class products, and first-class value. But what really pulls it all together is the family that I work with, my team.